What's up, everybody? Dallas Racing 35 here. This is the stairwell to my apartment building. I'm going to turn around, and while this will probably be more snow than some of you have seen, or a good most of you have seen, this is still a significant amount of snow, considering the drifts. There's my car over there, absolutely piled with snow. There's an F-150, not an F-150, a Ford Ranger, and they'd be covered. So here's the snow. This is about waist high right here. It's all shoveled and shit. But I'm gonna come over here, and I'm on the street right now, the road, whatever. There's down there and over here. As you can see, the very large piles of snow that they've taken off the road, street, whatever you want to call it. There be my car, and you can tell it was windy because the area around it is clear. But yeah, I'm gonna drive around the complex in another video after I get the snow cleared off, and yeah.